Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OBLN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, but it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice movement. When you consider where the price was on Friday, and now all of a sudden you look at where the price closed as of today, any rational person would say, yeah, that's been a very nice move. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area down here at 65 cents. Why is 65 so important? Hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, yeah, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement has genuine power, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly, I agree. So with that in mind, think about 65. If the price were to break below there and just continue on down, at that point, from a very literal perspective, it would be putting the price literally right back into that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulled back here, behaved in this manner, and then started to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 65 cents. What about levels of resistance going forward? Pretty straightforward as of right now, nothing fancy or complicated behind it. It's really just a matter of, okay, a party definitely started when the volume came pouring in, but where did this party stop on the day? And that was right up there at the 75-cent mark during the final 30 minutes of the day. So 75 cents will be that key level going forward. But really, top priority, at least in my opinion, is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's all about now starting to go through some healthy consolidations and some healthy, just kind of pullback phases where it can chip away and build those higher bases. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very powerful move. So let's see if the bulls can build upon it or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.